What's up everybody, it's Natalie here, and today I am filming a very exciting video. It is actually creeping on you guys. Basically what I'm doing is I'm going through and I am auditing your social media accounts, and I actually went to my Patreon members first. They are subscribed to my Patreon because they do want to hear more about like personal branding tips and social media tips. So I figured the first time doing this video, I'm gonna go to them first. So it was really easy to pick a bunch of girls. So I'm just gonna go through, and I haven't looked at anyone's social media yet. I have a list and I'm gonna go through, see how many we can do in this video, and just sit down and audit their accounts. And I do want to say that every person that we're doing today, they have all accepted being on camera, like their channel on camera, having me like go through and say what I think they could improve, what I love that they're doing, things like that, which is all stuff that we do normally on my Patreon. So if this video is also interesting to you and you guys do enjoy hearing what I have to say about social media branding tips, then you guys definitely can subscribe. It's something that I love doing, is just helping people with their personal brand, helping people grow their YouTube channel, grow their Instagram, and start treating it a little bit more like a business. It still totally can be a hobby, but just treating it more like a business, taking it a little more seriously. That's kind of what my Patreon is about. I used to do one-on-one consultations, and now I no longer do those. I just do my Patreon, which is like the best family, and it's like the best little community, and we have a Slack channel and we're always talking on there, and it's just a great resource if this is something you're interested in. So I'll have that link down below if you guys want to sign up for as little as $3 a month. Literally cheaper than like a Starbucks coffee. I'm going to just say off the top of my head what I think from what I first see, what can be done better, and what I love about their channel. It's gonna be a very quick audit, and on the Patreon we get more in depth than this, but I thought it would be not only cool to highlight all of these smaller creators and highlight their channels, but also to help you guys out, because a lot of people, they face the same challenges and they have similar accounts to the people that I might be auditing. So I think it will be cool to show you guys what I see, and just as someone who has, I guess, worked in this industry for a while, and I have been doing my own research, and I don't want to say I studied it because I didn't like go to school for it, but I have been learning a lot about it throughout the years, and I have been on YouTube for 9 years now and have grown this into a business and into a full-time job, and I've worked with other brands on their social media strategy and other individuals on their social media strategy, so I feel like I have enough experience on this to make a video on it, but also it's just for fun. I'm just gonna go through, it's gonna start screen recording. How do I screen record on my iPad? I feel like an old person. Screen recording. I'm wasting this video trying to figure out how to screen record. The sun is going down, time is of the essence. Are we recording? We are recording. First person we're gonna look at is Yolo. I've been on her podcast before, and she is so nice. Her energy is just so bubbly. She currently has 3.28K on YouTube. Her top video is a shopping at Lululemon with her roommates video. This video is from a year ago, so I feel like I would update this to something a little bit newer so people can really see what is common on your channel. And I know it's probably because it has 20K views, which is awesome, but I feel like I would update this to something a little newer. What I automatically see when I go on her channel is her college videos, her day/week in my life, New York City, vlogs. So what I love, and I always mention this to all my clients, is to have playlists. You want to have playlists on your channel so people know what your channel is about. So if you don't have playlists and all it shows is your most recent uploads, people are not really going to know what your channel is about. And so making playlists and having them on your screen, not only just see what the playlist is titled, but see the videos in the playlist, which you can do by customizing your channel, I think is really helpful. And it's really nice to see like what I'm getting when I go to someone's channel and whether or not I should subscribe. So it's little things like that that actually make a big difference. Another thing I am going to just mention is that I think it would be helpful to have her uploads be the first thing that I see. So there's a popular video that comes up, which I would make it a little bit more recent, but as for uploads, I would have your most recent uploads at like up front, because that way people know, oh, this girl uploads consistently. Because right now I see this college vlogs from a year ago, and even though I know that they're not her most recent videos, the first glance is that, oh, you're not uploading, and like, I don't know your uploading schedule and I don't know what your recent videos are. So the way I like to do it is having just that little trailer, whatever the first video YouTube makes that pops up. Then I like to have my recently uploaded playlist. So this isn't a playlist that I add to, it's just my most recent upload, so people know exactly what they're getting when they come to my channel. And then right underneath those is like my most popular playlist, so people can know also what they're getting when they come to my channel. Those, I guess, are my two biggest pointers for her channel, just right off the gate. Now let's go to Ivanka. So Ivanka does not have her subscribers listed on there, which something I would do is actually list my subscribers. I don't know if it's just me, but I like to see the number of subscribers people have, and if it's not shown, I don't know, it doesn't make me want to subscribe if the subscribers are not shown. I don't know if it's psychological, I don't know why that is. That's just from my personal standpoint. So I'd love to know what you guys think. If you guys see someone that doesn't have subscribers shown, do you want to subscribe or do you not want to subscribe? I feel like some people might hide this if they don't have a lot of subscribers, which is totally relative. But I think it's actually best to show your subscribers, because then people can also support you and they feel like you're noticing when they do support you. So I think showing your subscribers is actually something that you should include. But on your channel, I automatically see your uploads, which is awesome. I see your most recent ones, most recent from 2 hours ago, your Zara haul, which Zara hauls do so well. And then I love your thumbnails. I think your thumbnails are so cute and they're very easy to read. I think that's the biggest thing with thumbnails, is when they're difficult to read and when I don't know what they're saying. So I really love those. I will say some things like the productive vlog where it says online college in New York City, or the what I eat in the day where it says realistic and non-restricted and all the carbs. I can't read what those say. So if you could find a way to make those stand out more, whether adding like a background to it or making those words stand out more, because right now when I glance at this, I just see the main thing, which is good. But if you do want to include those, I would definitely include the words to be clear. Love how there's playlists. I think that is awesome. And another thing that I'm noting is she is consistent. She's uploading multiple times in a week. So I see 2 hours ago, I see 5 days ago, I see 1 week ago, 1 week ago, 2 weeks ago, 2 weeks ago. Consistency is key. And I know sometimes it feels super discouraging when you are uploading a lot and when you are not maybe getting those views or gaining those subscribers, but I'm telling you, that is the step one to growing and developing your personal brand, because no social media outlet is going to promote you or recommend you if you are not uploading consistently. So she has 9 minutes, 7 minutes, 7 minutes again, and then another 2 other 7-minute ones, which I would actually aim for 10 minutes or higher. YouTube did recently change where now you can add multiple ads in 8 minutes or higher, but a good rule is to upload longer videos, because the thing is, YouTube is gonna promote your videos if someone is spending more time on your video or on your app or on the app because of your video. If a video is 5 minutes long and the average watch time is 100%, that's great, and YouTube does take that into account. But if a video is 30 minutes long and the average watch time is 15 minutes and they saw 3 ads in those 15 minutes rather than just 1 ad in the 5-minute video, YouTube's gonna push the one with the 50% watch time, because it's making them more money. Even if people aren't watching the entire thing, it's making them more money since there's more ads that people are watching and people are staying on YouTube for longer. So I always recommend to have people post longer videos. 10 minutes is a good benchmark if you can, because YouTube will most likely recommend your videos a little bit more. Next one is It's Amandajuan. I'm actually going on her podcast pretty soon. First thing I want to say, thumbnails and header, perfection. Love. I love these so much. So the first thing that I notice is your header and your thumbnails, and I think they're so cute. I love that the thumbnails have a theme to it. I really love that. You're very consistent. You're posting every single week. I think that posting once a week minimum is definitely one of those things that you need to grow on YouTube. So if you want to grow on YouTube, you definitely have to post a minimum of once a week. Another thing though that I am noticing, a lot of Amanda's videos are vlogs, which I think vlogs are great. Do not get me wrong, vlogs are amazing. I love a good vlog. The thing is, with vlog, they have a very short lifetime. You're not gonna watch a vlog from last year. You're not gonna even watch a vlog from probably last month. Time has passed, not relevant anymore. You really just watch vlogs in the moment within a week that they're posted. So those videos, one, aren't gonna get pushed as much. It might get pushed on the first day, the second day, third day, but a month later, those videos are no longer in the YouTube algorithm. They are no longer getting pushed. However, ones that are searchable are going to get pushed for long term because those videos people are searching for no matter the time. So if I actually go to your videos and I go to your most popular videos, her most popular videos are how to figure out your sexuality. That video is probably searched a ton. That means that people are searching that type of content, and even though this video was 3 years ago, I bet that it is still getting views today because of the title. Another one, how to tell your parents you're gay, bi-curious versus bisexual, what's the difference? All of these are pretty much videos that people are searching for to this day, and something that doesn't have a time limit. Another one is my honest first year at university experience. So that's a more recent one, that's from 1 year ago. That one has 13,000 views. That one again is something that people are searching for probably every August. That gets picked up a lot because people want to hear about what's it like to go to college. So if you even see just by popular videos, most popular videos are actually ones that get searched and they're not necessarily vlogs. However, I love vlogs because vlogs get to know the person more. So I don't think vlogs are bad at all. I always recommend doing mostly vlogs and then having that one video that gets a lot of views that's searchable, because vlogs are going to make you have an engaged audience. These videos that are very popular might bring in a lot of people, but they're not gonna make your audience engaged because they don't really know you, they just know what you're talking about. Vlogs let people get to know you really, really well. So they let people get to know exactly who you are. That way they can even ask you what videos they want from you, what type of content they wanna see. They know exactly who you are, what you're doing. They feel a connection towards you, which is just gonna increase engagement overall. So for vlogs, I actually think they're awesome in terms of engagement and long-term strategy. However, for growth, I do recommend sprinkling in a video that's gonna get a lot of searches and get a lot of views. So how-to videos, clearly as we see, are really great and something that just doesn't have a time limit and can actually be long-term, not just in the moment. Next one is Megan. I really like your header. I think it's really cute, and what I like about it is that it says your uploading schedule. Having an uploading schedule is so important. Not only does it let people know that you are consistent so you can find reliable content at my channel, but it also helps for your own consistency. Like honestly, if I didn't have an uploading schedule, I feel like I would just always get overwhelmed and never upload. So for yourself, I feel like it's helpful, and also for the algorithm, YouTube likes promoting videos that are consistent, and it's not gonna promote a channel that never posts. So having that uploading schedule up there, I think is really great. I really love the thumbnails. I think that they are so pretty, and I can read everything. So when I'm talking about reading thumbnails, like I did for a few people ago, I said, if your thumbnails are not easy to read, look at her thumbnails. Megan's thumbnails are killing it with how easy it is to read. Having that backdrop in it is really easy. She has like the shadow over her words, and they're very, very in your face, and I wanna watch it. You know, I wanna see what's going on in these videos and watch it. Another good thing that I wanna note is that she says college week in my life, and she says University of South Carolina. I always recommend being specific with things because you're gonna find people that are in that demographic and in that bubble. For example, when I went to NC State, a lot of people found me through my NC State vlogs because they were either thinking about going to NC State or they were also students at NC State. So those NC State vlogs, no, it's not going to reach a broad audience because it's not like everyone in the country wants to go to NC State, but it will reach that NC State audience, and that's still an audience that's going to gravitate to your channel and also have a high engagement. Her most popular video that I see just on the screen right now is her iOS 14 iPhone organization, aesthetic, iPhone customization video. It has 11,000 views compared to other videos that have in the hundreds of views. So that I think is really smart. She jumped on that trend quickly, you guys. If there is something that is coming out that is new that you can do, jump on that before everyone else does, and while it's still searchable. So for example, the iOS 14 videos that flooded our YouTube recommendations, those all did really well. Mine has gotten like 75,000 views, and I have no idea how. As well as like her Christmas wish list, I can see it's already getting a lot of views because people aren't posting as many like holiday things yet, but people are still searching them. And I think right now Christmas is a glimpse of hope in the future, so people are searching Christmas more than ever. So the fact that she's on it early is actually helping her, because now when people search Christmas wish list from now until Christmas, her video is gonna come up and she's one of the first ones on it. So I think Megan does a great job at kind of hopping on the trends while they are popular and capitalizing on that. The next person that I'm looking at is Karen. So Karen has 66 subscribers. She's a header. It says The Coffee Fashion. Number one, very, very, very cute icon. I love it. I think having a good icon is so important, because when you're commenting on people's videos, if someone has like a really nice icon, I always hover over to see if they're a YouTuber, to see what videos they have. So having a good icon is key. So having a consistent thumbnail, I think, is really important. However, I do feel like you just started your YouTube channel, so it is totally normal to not have a cohesive thumbnail yet, because trust me, mine were all over the place and I still change mine up every now and then. You just started 4 months ago, so that's totally normal. However, a good way to find what thumbnails work is to find your favorite YouTuber and try to recreate their thumbnail. So I'm not trying to encourage copying, because we don't want that here on this channel. That's not key. But something that might work is to find your favorite YouTuber, trying to recreate it, just so you get a hang of how to make a thumbnail and how they got theirs like that, and then from there you can take some inspiration. So far, I love the pictures that you're posting for your vlogs. I think that they are, your thumbnail photos are amazing. The only feedback I have is to have more of a cohesive theme with the font and making sure that it's legible. And then as you are continuing with your channel, keeping in mind that you should be uploading a few videos that are more searchable, because those are going to help you in the long run with YouTube growth. So that is where I will leave it. One, my dog is barking like crazy, the sun is going down, and I feel like this video is long enough. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this. Again, I hope that this was not meant to like bash anyone's YouTube channel. This was not meant to tear anyone down, because all of these channels that I just saw are going to do amazing. And of course, I got permission from everyone that I was allowed to share these things. So thank you again for watching. And also please support these channels that I featured on here. I'm gonna have them all linked down below so that you guys can support them, because I think that that would mean a lot to people. And if you guys want me to do one of these with Instagram accounts, let me know. I thought YouTube was a fun place to do it. But thank you guys so much for watching. Please show these channels love. And if you guys have any other feedback or any other requests, definitely leave them down below if you guys want to see a part 2 of this. And if you want to join the Patreon, where you guys can be included in the next one of this, or these are more on the regular, I literally do a live stream twice a month. I do post all the time on the Patreon, where I just help you guys out with personal branding tips, and we have like challenges and calendars and templates and downloadables that I have on there that I think is really helpful. So if you guys want to join that, then be sure to join down below, and I hope that you guys enjoyed, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.